Hello fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, it is over. It is over between Yo and Juju Ekwensu. The relationship, husband snatching, adulterous relationship, where Juju Ekwensu force herself enter, is over. Now let she dey date herself now. Now let she dey marry herself. Now let she dey friend herself. There is no boyfriend, there is no husband, there is nothing. Juju Ekwensu have become lowly. Judy Austin lowly. Yole Doshe Abadan Judy Austin for Abuja. Ooh. What were you expecting, Juju Ekwensu? A man that you snatched, not privately, not behind closed door. You snatched this man publicly. And yet the wife not ask you question. The wife not talk. She not speak. She not talk anything. She not even call you. She not even drag you. She not even come outside, come talk of this man. Talk less of you. You know say na red flag you carry. Hey, women know they let waiting they love slip out of their hand like that. Women will fight for what they love. The time they fold hand, they look you, may you carry, they go. No say na dustbin, red flag, now you carry. Your eyes don't clear now. Hey, you don't see the reason why may Edoshe close mouth, open eye, they look you. Chai, Juju Ekwensu is going through a lot. Oh. For Juju Ekwensu to come talk say, Mr. Obasi better pass you 1 million times. Ah, Oti Gbaje for Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu say Mr. Obasi is 1 million times better than you. You don't abandon Juju Ekwensu to herself. This woman has become lowly. Judy Austin lowly. Only she now they marry herself, they date herself. You don't concentrate on his new relationship. Chai. You see this thing called karma. He no get mercy. He no get pity. He no they look who she face. He no send person papa or mama. If he come like this now, so they swallow them. They don't swallow Juju Ekwensu. Karma don't swallow her. Juju Ekwensu is crying in pains and in sorrow. The worst part of it is that Juju Ekwensu cannot cry out to the public. Juju Ekwensu, she have nowhere to go. If yo pursue and come outside, na papa village they go. If she vex leave that marriage, na her papa village now they go. So she have to stay, bear, tolerate every kind of thing that they give her to eat in that relationship. Now, yo is no longer hiding lazy gold. Yo is doing lazy gold in the very eye of Juju Ekwensu. If she won't buy, me she buy. My lovely fans, they say now Juju Ekwensu come carry phone. Go call one Hollywood actor. Come they cry for this actor. Tell the actor say, Biko epa, beg epa. Now the actor come say waiting. He say, me epa talk to yo. Now the actor come tell her say, you know if he talk to her. He say, no, she no want trouble. And no want me yo converse so. She no know the kind action where you go take. Say make this Nollywood actor epa beg yo. Now the Nollywood actor come say okay. Now the Nollywood actor come the answer. Anything wetin happen. Now they tell the Nollywood actor say, you don't have pardon now. You know they pick a call. You know they call her. He said the only time when you go still pick a call, he said you go tell her say, hey, he's busy now. He's busy now because say she Juju Ekwensu not get work. Now I make her hand they always on telephone. Now I make she they always on phone. They find person where won't call. He said the reply very harsh. He said, you have totally changed. He said, this whole thing is affecting her. He said, I beg, make this Nollywood actor help am beg you. Now this Nollywood actor say go call you. Make una dey listen, we never go into the cocoa of Juju Ekwesu pikin matter. My lovely fans, as yo take drive Juju Ekwesu pikin comot for house, na the story na dey tell una step by step. So na so na so this Nollywood actor come call come talk to yo. Come dey tell yo say, may not do Juju Ekwesu like this, so make you remember, say Juju Ekwesu self that they drag am for social media, all because of this relationship. The worst thing you go do na to come abandon Juju Ekwesu, make people wey dey laugh am come laugh am finish. Say that kind thing Juju Ekwesu fit buy o. Hey, if e be say this whole thing come scatter, they go drag Juju Ekwesu to the extent only Juju Ekwesu will go drink water pia. Now they come tell you say you bikono, abeg, try they talk to Juju Ekwesu, try settle any issue when it dey between you and Juju Ekwesu. Now you tell the actor say settle waiting that they settle. He said Juju Ekwesu already know wetin dey ground. If she want to stay, she stay. If she don't want to stay, she can go. Relationship is not by force. Dating is not by force. You know me say they born 3 children. Say Juju Ekwesu must stay with them. If she's tired, let her go. You no force her put for there. You no beg her make it dey there. If Juju Ekwesu no say today she don't tire, make she carry her bag, make she dey go. The actor try talk to you. If you now see the way you take charge, he say make the actor leave her beg. How the actor call they tell her say may they consider Juju Ekwesu. Did Juju Ekwesu consider his own situation before he destroy her? He said whether Juju Ekwesu consider his situation, whether not be Augusta, Juju Ekwesu sister, now he carry matter go give this lover. He said now Augusta go release, say Juju Ekwesu born, go give this lover, make the take bring her down. He said because she won't enter house. He said go stay the house. He said don't enter the house now. He said make it there. He said if she tired, she go. If she no say she won't stay, she stay. This is his life. This is how he live his life. Juju Ekwesu not reach to stop him. So if Juju Ekwesu is tired, let her go. Hey! My people, now the actor come call Juju Ekwesu, come tell Juju Ekwesu say, you know the year can't take again, no. Even they shout for her. At this point, if you know say the thing it not favor you again, just use silently, not even put them for social media. Just quietly walk out of the marriage. If you know say you won't bear, you feel still bear. Because you not to say in the date you, he don't leave you. He say if you won't stay, you stay. If you not feel bear waiting you they see, you carry your bag and go. You not get option. He say you say if you don't like what you are seeing, he say you feel carry your bag and go. He say nobody stop you. Nobody is forcing you to stay. Now Juju Ekwesu son come hear that word. Now the boy come provoke. Now Juju Ekwesu son come take call you. When they tell you say see the damage wey you dey cause in mama. See as in mama don't be. In mama no dey sleep. How can you treat the mother like this? Now you provoke. Say na him. Now Juju Ekwesu son they talk to. Now I tell Juju Ekwesu son say before he reach Abuja, make Juju Ekwesu son pack his load, make he come up for a house. He is no longer welcome in his house. The country say na joko, na you dey. You same person, make they go that house, make they go throw Juju Ekwesu son come up for the house. Karma is real. Karma is real. Yo did not only tell Juju Ekwesu's son, which is Mr. Obasi's son, to leave his house because he also sent somebody. Say, may they go throw that boy out of that house. The audacity for that boy to talk to him. When I tell una say Juju Ekwesu charm don expire, una think say I dey lie. Hey, Juju Ekwesu don carry soap wey native doctor give am make she take baff. She go mistakenly use the soap take do cream. The cream wey native doctor say make she take dey rub so that Yul Edochie go dey love am, Judy Austin go use am take baff. Charm don expire as I dey talk to una so. As I dey talk to una so, the charm e don gbaje, e no dey work again. Yo did not only chase Mr. Obasi, Juju Ekwesu's son, out of his house. He sent somebody, say make they go there, go fling the boy out of his house. How dare him? They under a roof. If they feed them, if they pay us rent for a head. The boy open mouth, they tell her, say, what you are doing to my mother, is it right? Now you say, wetin Juju Ekwesu dey do, is it right? Hey, the day when Juju Ekwesu and yo go pull leg for one trouser, social media go catch fire. Hey, now so different things go dey come out that day. They never even start. Oh, yo say the one wey Juju Ekwesu do. He say, what about the one wey Juju Ekwesu do? He say na Juju Ekwesu sister Eze one imirimiri. Na he carry Juju Ekwesu don born put for social media just for Juju Ekwesu to come and destroy his home. Yo now is putting the blame on Juju Ekwesu. Say Juju Ekwesu purposely destroyed his home. He say Juju Ekwesu have listened to him the way he take planner. He say marriage for still dey intact. Juju Ekwesu for still dey one corner. Last may Edochie for still accept. He say but Juju Ekwesu was impatient. Carry him matter put for social media. Destroy the marriage, destroy his life. You say Juju Ekwesu, you are a mistake to his life. He said the greatest mistake when he do not to know Juju Ekwesu. He said Juju Ekwesu, if you won't stay, stay. If you don't want stay, if you want stay, stay. If you don't want stay, carry your load and go. He not send you anymore. Before you know, the two boys they enter us. They say now you send the message. Now Juju Ekwesu open door for them. They enter us. Now they say, oh yeah, Kevin, carry your load, leave this house. Now the boy say, leave this house, sir. Where in they go? Now they say the owner of the house say, carry your load and get out of his house. Say you no fear. You open mouth, you the challenger. Say, oh yeah, now the message you they come with this. They say me they come fling you out of the house. Are you going out in peace or you want them to pieces you out? Hey, now Juju Ekwesu call the shout or call the tell they say, make it call you. Now they say, no worry, they will help you call her. Now they call you put your phone for speaker. They tell they say, make they fling her out. Now Juju Ekwesu call the shout for the background. Now you tell Juju Ekwesu say, your son no fear. Your son open mouth, they talk to her. The same pikin way in the feed when he put for house, when he put under a roof, open mouth, they talk to her. Let him get out of that house. If he not come out for that house, if he come back again, what he could do your son, you will regret it. That boy, when they tell the boy, say, make the portion come outside. Now so those boys still drag Juju Ekwesu son, they drag and come out for inside the house. They can't drag that boy before outside. They can't tell Juju Ekwesu say, if you allow this boy come his house, hey, they get eyes everywhere. If you allow this boy enter inside this house again, the next thing where they will do now, all of now they go throw away for outside. Order from yo. Juju Ekwesu come begin they call yo. Make it confront you, talk to you. You not carry phone. As son, they outside. Hey. One dash and never end. So that boy come there outside. Juju Ekwesu call the fear. He don't know the action where you want to take. He don't know whether you put camera for his house. He know she can't be confused. Now she can't take call her family. Can't they tell they say, see waiting they happen. They can't tell Juju Ekwesu say, make him wait, make his son wait, make night reach before he go let her enter house. May leave you give his son money, may his son go turn round. If night don't come, make his son come back home. Maybe by that time, you might go down come down. Say make the son carry phone, make he call you, make he apologize. Because if they come up for there now, where he won't come? Now village he won't come. If you by mistake throw away that boy, if you reject that boy, may not enter us again, that means Mr. Obasi's son will return back to Umoji, which will be a shame and disgrace to them for village for Umoji. Now they come tell Juju Ekwensu say, just bear am just stay there. Now they come tell Juju Ekwensu say, make carry phone, make Kevin carry phone, make they begin dey beg yo. And so they begin dey call you know they carry phone. Hey, my people, one dash and never end. They call you call. You know they carry phone. Now later, now you come to pick their phone. When you pick Juju Ekwensu and his son, they come start to dey beg you Bikonu. Juju Ekwensu call they cry. Cause they tell you say me you pity ran me you pity ran. You no say no get anything. If you pursue this boy now Umoji go. Why you dey do like this? You come start to dey cry. Now you come tell Juju Ekwensu say, talk to your children. Talk to them. Now if they go suffer, they put food for their table. They take care of them. And your son no fear. Open mouth, they talk to them. Now Juju Ekwensu come start to dey beg. Juju Ekwensu come start to dey beg. She call dey cry. Juju Ekwensu dey cry. They cry, they beg you. The boy self come still dey beg. The boy call dey beg. You know, say if that boy go back to Umoji, Mr. Obasi go hear. Because some people for Umoji, where they like Mr. Obasi, they go call him, they go give him the details. And it will be a shame on Juju Ekwensu. That's why Juju Ekwensu do wayo, pretend. They go dey beg you. Carry the son, join body, they beg you. If not, now Umoji, now Mr. Obasi's son, for go. One dash shall never end though. Juju Ekwensu's condition don't really critical. Like you is really dealing with these people. Imagine that the time we sharp they work, Juju Ekwensu's son they fight you. Juju Ekwensu's son with the sister, they go join her together. If you talk to their mama, they will fight them. They go dey bash bosan, they go set blow. But today, you know, they feel they talk to this man again. The charm don't re-expire. This charm don't expire. Now, so you be don't drive Juju Ekwensu son come out. And this is just the beginning. As it don't start, and so one day go fling all of them through. You don't start to drive them. Don't drive Mr. Obasi's son. And one day this man will come. He go fling all of them through for inside the house. One dash shall never end, my people. What do you guys think? Is this karma, or do you think na normal thing where they happen? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. God bless you.